complaint about going to places. I need my glasses for this. Hold on. I'm putting my glasses on to look smarter. See here, my glasses. I just realized this. Because it's cold and rainy outside today, I don't like email. Okay? I don't like going places. I was thinking about that because I'm like, there's people that I'd go to see, but I don't want to go anywhere. That's the problem. To be there, I'd like to be at these places, but the problem is going there, getting in the car and going in the cold. Going to places. That's the big deal. Like going to work. Being at work, sometimes it's not so bad. But going to work is like, going to do anything. But the idea of being there and actually being there is not so bad. Damn it. Hello! We're going to make macaroni and cheese! Macaroni and cheese! The best macaroni and cheese in the world! Macaroni and cheese! Cheese! Macaroni and cheese. Macaroni and cheese. Oh, goodness gracious! Macaroni and cheese sounds fantastic right now. Absolutely brilliant. Macaroni and motherfucking cheese. We gon' make macaroni and cheese. Macaroni and cheese. Let's get started. This gonna be a whole video. My God. Just looking at myself again.
I obviously did not do that.
We're gonna make macaroni and cheese. Bye. We are going to be doing a review on oat milk because it's my first time that I have had oat milk. So I will have a shot of it to compare it to milk. It kind of tastes like milk. It has the consistency of milk. The same exit flavor of milk, and it's all right. It's not bad. Yeah.
Hey there, champ. A friend told me you got a little too high. I'm sorry, pal. This sucks. You may feel like you've gone permanently insane, or like you're dead. Here's the good news. You're alive, and your sanity is probably intact. You're just really, really high. You might be feeling way too high for a few hours, but let's not focus on that now. Time has probably lost all meaning for you anyway. So here we are, and everything's gonna be all right. You're real.
How are you all doing? Because I'm doing good. Okay. I'm trying to blow out this candle, but my mouth isn't being smart. I did it. Okay.
Hey, officer, come in right here, please. I get some pee. I want to pee.
So go to the bathroom.
So I act all the doctor.
Excuse me. The bathroom is right there.
Listen, you cannot talk to me the way you want.
Listen, he can go to the bathroom or he can leave.
Listen, I know where the bathroom is.
Come, I'll show you. Come.
What the fuck it is?
Listen, it's okay. Come.
God damn it.
Come, I'll show you.